My love's like Velcro, it sticks too tight, peeling away in the dead of night. It clings, it clatters, it pulls, it fights, but still you come back every time. Velcro heart, tearing apart, stuck on you from the very start. Pull me up, I'll find a way to snap back to you someday. I'm not smooth like silk or soft like lace. I'm scratchy edges out of place, a tangle of threads, a fabric mess, but you wear me anyway, I confess. You try to pull me free, but I'm your static destiny. Velcro heart, tearing apart, stuck on you from the very start. Pull me up, I'll find a way to snap back to you someday. Fasten me down, or let me go. I'm caught between the yes and no. Each rip a promise, each click a plea, you and I, stitched in history.